Good morning, second graders. Today we are on page 205, and our objective today is I will count collections of coins and bills. So today we're going to be counting money, but we're going to count coins and bills. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary just to remind us of a few things. Dollars are another unit used to measure money in the United States, U.S. currency, and they represent a whole dollar. Dollar bills are usually made of paper and are the same size but have different denominations or values. So here's our different values. And they show us the front side and the back side. And we have a $1 bill, a $5 bill, 10, 20, 50, and 100. And in the corner of the bills, remember, it actually gives us the number of the denomination. So we can use that to help us. Okay, so our steps today, I'm not going to read through them because they're extremely long. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to attack these. Okay, so I'm going to get started on my first problem. And here is my first problem. It says, how much money is shown? Okay, so this one's a little tricky and you're going to see why in a moment. Okay, so when I'm counting these, I'm going to start with the dollars first. So I only have a $1 bill. Okay, I only have a $1 bill. So if I was to count, I would say there's a 1. Okay. But then when I go to my coins, what do I see about these? What coins are these? And if I need to, I could go back in my book to find these. But I know these are quarters. So I have 20, they're worth 25 cents each. 25, 25, 25, and 25. Okay, what do I know about my quarters though? I know that 4 quarters equals $1. 4 quarters equals $1. So this is $1 also. So if I had $1 and then I have another dollars, aren't I at $2 now? So I'm at $2 and then this is just going to be 25 cents. So I have $2.25. So that one was a little tricky because I had to group the coins. I couldn't just look at the dollar bills. Okay, let's look at my next one. My next one says, Sierra has $5.25. What is one possible combination of dollar bills and coins Sierra could have? Okay, so she has $5.25. Now, when we've done these in the past, we always start with the largest denomination. So for dollar bills, remember our largest is $100. She couldn't have that. She couldn't have a 50. She couldn't have a 20 or a 10, but she definitely could have a $5 bill. So I'm going to say she has a $5 bill. Now, this isn't the only answer, but this is what I'm going to choose. And then when I look at my coins, 25 cents, well, I know that a quarter equals 25 cents, so I'm just going to say she has a $5 bill and a quarter, which is 25 cents. Okay? Now, there's many different answers we could do that, but I usually like to choose the largest one to make it the easiest. Okay, let's look at some together. We're on page 206. Page 206, and here's our first problem. Okay. It says, how much money is shown? Okay, so on the dollar bills, remember in the corner it gives us the denomination. It gives us the denomination. So that's a $20 bill and that's a $1 bill. So I want you to circle those. Okay, now we have to look at our coins though. So this coin is called a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. This coin is a penny. And a penny, remember, is worth 1 cent. So if we were to count, we want to count our dollars first. So we have 20, and then if I add a 1 to it, I have 21. So we have $21. And the same with the coins. If I have 25 and then I add a 1, I get 26. So I'm kind of skip counting in a way to the next amount. So we have $21.26 because we want to keep them separated. Okay, let's look at our next question. Our next question says, Tommy has $1.35. Let's underline that. $1.35. What is one possible combination of dollar bills and coins Tommy could have? Well, for the $1, friends, he's just going to have a $1 bill because he can't have anything that's worth more than that. So let's put the dollar sign with a 1 in it. So he has a $1 bill. Okay, then let's look at our coins. For 35 cents, let's start with our largest coin, is a quarter. Could he have a quarter if he has 35 cents? Definitely, because a quarter is worth 25 cents, right? So let's give him a quarter. And a quarter is 25 cents. Could he have another quarter? No, because if he had 2 quarters, 25 cents and 25 cents is 50 cents. 2 quarters is 50, so he can't have a quarter. So what's our next largest value? After a quarter, we have a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. Could he have a dime? Let's see, if he had 25 and we added 10, wouldn't that give us 35 cents? It would, so I think his next coin is a dime. So this would be $1, and then his coins would be 25, and if we added 10, we would get 35. So that would give us our $1.35. Okay, friends, you need to keep practicing these and keep practicing with money. It's a very important concept. It's something you'll use forever. Have a wonderful day. Bye.